Alright, what's up YouTube? So today I'm going to be doing a little more work on the Beetle. I've got some spots on the frame that I need to patch where I deleted the heater controls and the original gear shift because I'll be mounting in the gear shift and the linkage from the Mark IV. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to have to do is just grind this really clean because I'm going to be TIG welding everything, so it's super important that all the material I'll be welding will be pretty much spotless. So I've got a nice flat wheel on my grinder. Who knew after 44 years you could get a piece of metal still looking that shiny? Alright, so that's pretty sparkling clean. Now I got to cut out some plates so I can weld these up. Okay, so I'm going to start with this rectangle here. I think that's the easiest one, so I'll start with that just to get an idea what I'm doing here. And it measures about 1.16 inches, maybe a little less. I'll probably cut it an inch. If there's a little bit of a gap, I can just fill that. Just about 3 1/4. So I just need to make a little rectangle, 1 by 3 1/4. Got this standoff piece from the Hydro E that I can just cut some little scraps out of. That'll be quick and easy. Okay, so I got this piece cut out. Is it perfect? Not necessarily, but it's gonna work just fine. I'm gonna let it rest against this lip and just put this disc there so I can tack it and then bend it down into place. Go. Tack the opposite corner now. Just gonna put a couple tacks along the way, and then just run some beads. It'd probably be fine if I just ran them like this, but left a little bit of a hole there, but that's nothing I can't fill. Not too bad, I don't think. I can just grind that down. I'm trying to just get that shaved look, so I'm fine grinding these. Okay, so these holes are slotted. They're both a little different sizes, and they have this indent right here. And I'm actually just going to take the angle grinder and just go right along that line, just so it's the same width all the way across. Okay, now I can just cut out some little pieces there, and I won't even bother trying to round them. I'll just fill that with weld. Right, so I've got my piece here. It's actually a little tight, which is kind of good. God, I'm going to take this piece of rod here and just stick it through there so this piece can't fall down. It's pretty tight anyway. It's pretty nice and snug. I'm going to tack it right at this end. Throw a tack on either side. With those tacked, I should be able to knock this somewhat into place. Throw a couple more tacks in the middle. Weld away! Okay, so I got this piece cut out too, and I'm just trying to see if I can. I might actually grind a little bit off of that. Alright, so I'm not quite sure how much I just missed, but the battery in the camera died, so I know I missed a little bit. Pretty much I just welded and I filled in those holes. I'm going to definitely need to put a little more in that one, but I'm just going to grind it down first and see how far I really need to go. Alright, so I just welded up this little plate here. Now I'm just going to fill these 2 holes, grind them down, and probably call it a night. still pretty easy. I'll just do that again on the other side. Alright, so I got that welded pretty nice. I probably gotta put a couple more tacks just to fill in those little pits and grind it down, but I already shut the machine off. So I haven't quite decided what to do with this hole right here. I could just fill the whole thing, but that might get kind of sloppy. I also don't have a piece of metal quite thin enough to just fit right in there, so I'll figure something out. I'll probably end up just filling it. And I got this one nice and complete. Both those holes filled in and the big hole in the middle with the plate. But these came out real nice, the radius on both sides here. Alright, so that's going to be it for this week. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to like, comment, and subscribe, that'd be really cool. So far I'm loving my AHP welder. It's done everything I needed it to do so far, and I haven't even tried it on AC yet, but everything I've done with it is awesome. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll have a new video up next week, and thanks for watching.